Hello and welcome to episode 5 of my unnamed game, which I'm actually thinking of a name, and I think it's gonna be called Boo Farming? No. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out. If you have any names, put them down there, and I'll look at them. So what I'm going to be doing today is plant care. So today I will be working on fertilizer and the crop watering, and the fertilizer is gonna be like adding it to crops. Then I'm gonna have some tiers of fertilizer, and then I'm gonna have it consume the fertilizer over time. Same with the water, I just haven't added the comment for it. So, I'll just see you when the next update is. Oh, and I'll also work on optimizing the code a little bit, because it is a little spaghetti right now. So, see you when something interesting happens. Yes! Okay, you might be a little confused. Why? I just sorta made up a new system to help copy special data from one item to the next. So here, the value. Oh no. Well, I'll just fix that. Okay, here the value should be 0 because I didn't put anything in. We go over here and look. The value is 0. And then, oops. If we go over here, the value should be 3. Now I have to go and fix that. The items just vanishing when I try and drop them. So, see you when I fix that. Okay, I think I have it fixed now, at least the dropping. So, now if I go here and I drop it, yep, that works. Now, what are you doing? Why? What? Excuse you? Excuse you? Excuse you? Why are you just leaving? You're just leaving, but... What? How? How does this happen? And then you're in my right hand, but you have grabbed... Why? Oh... Vitoy... Hatba... Do you have like... Why do you have a rigid body? Uh-oh. Bye! It's just... I'm gonna have to find out why this is happening. Because it shouldn't be happening for this item either. This also has a rigid body, which it's not supposed to have. So I'm gonna have to find where in the world I assigned it a rigid body. Probably in the code. So see you when I have that fixed. Okay, so if I am right, this should fix it. I haven't actually tested it, so this proves if I'm a good coder or not. Does it work? Yeah! I'm a good coder, right? Yeah? Right? Then you can't stack. I should probably remove the singleton, like the one in it, since you don't really need that. It's a special item. So let's see. The one I'm holding, this one is a 0. If I scroll, this one is a 0, and the last one, this is gonna be 3. Yeah! So, oh, maybe I should have the no. It's a special item, so it can't stack, but I do need some way of showing how much water is in there. Maybe just a new bot. I don't know. I'll probably just not do it for now. Not do it today at least, and get the watering done. Since ideally, what I'm going to do is plop down some soil, plant some seeds in it, then I water. I like water, then with the one that had. I'm not thinking great, but I would water, and if it has water, it'll grow. Right now, it's not growing because there's no water in it, and I cannot put water in it. That's what I'm gonna work on now, is the watering. And I have errors in my console. Let's see. Yep, this is the part that I don't. This is all the code just to not let it grow when I don't have water. And, well, I'll see you when I have watering done. Probably be the last bit I have done today, and then I can work on it some tomorrow. Okay, I think I've finished for today, but I do want to test something, because I just got the water to it, so now you can feed it, give it some water to go. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. I'm gonna go with the 1. This will give you 1 water. Then I'll use that. Currently I have the rates really low, so it'll only consume, I think, 1 water to grow it to max age. Yeah. And then I still haven't got the same soil planting yet. That's not important to me. But I believe if I can come down here and raise the water grid to like 0.5, I don't know what this is gonna do, but I know it's gonna go quicker. And it should go, yeah, you can see it already. Maybe I'll have to water it. Oh yeah, I need to water it. So what I implemented was it won't go into the negatives. It won't consume the water, even if there's water in it, because it would need to go into the negatives. So I can just come here and water again. This still has water in it. It has infinite water. I haven't done consumption yet. Just the filling in, the planting of water. Then if I increase the greed to, let's do 1. Let's double the greed. Then I water it. Now this is going pretty fast. So maybe a new water per age. Oh, I need more water. I think I've given it 3 now. This 4, 5, 6. There. I need 6 water for 1 greed. For 1 level 1 greed. That's insane. I like this. I can control it fairly well with the number. And it does, the way I have it set up, it uses the water level, but I didn't want, I don't know, I'm still figuring out the best graph. I'm trying to figure out how to plot it on Desmos for like water over age. But this is the formula for what I currently have, and it's not too bad. More water you put in, the more water it consumes. Let's think of that as evaporation. And then it does get rid of the water since I'm doing it on the plant side. I don't know if I should ditch that and put it on the soil side instead of the plant side. I don't know. Just let me know. I would rather do it on the soil side, but I would have to change a lot of stuff. Here's the level 3, yeah. Consuming all that water. I think you can just, yeah. No. Yeah, okay. Think you could just do with one level 3 filling. With the point 2... Wait, no. The 0.2 greed. Water greed. This is the setup. This is what I have set up. So that's good. I'll see you tomorrow then. I'm gonna log off. This is gonna be a 2-day episode, hopefully. Hopefully it's not stretching to 3rd day, then it'll be dangerously close to posting. See you tomorrow. Hello, and welcome to the next day of this, updating plant, not updating, how do I say it? Making plants have needs. So, water, we did water yesterday. Only thing I haven't done with it is make it usable and also put up a meter. So there's no way of telling how much is in each one of these. I do know that this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. But there's no way of actually telling. I was gonna do a UI, but I might do something where it's not a water can, but more like this ball of water that droplets, and you have some magic stuff that is holding it up in the air, and the amount is how large it is. The main ball. So that's an idea. I don't know how good of an idea it is, and you can't really drop it, so that doesn't make sense now that I'm thinking about it. So what I'm going to do is add a fertilizer item, and then work on implementing tiers. So the way I'm gonna have tiers is tier 1 will go a certain speed, boost it like by 1.1 or something. Tier 2 could be 1.3, tier 3 could be 1.5, and so on for whatever effects. I could do something where it decreases the amount of water or decreases the weed, but one could increase the weed and increase the water intake. I don't know. So it's all just ideas at this point, but currently I'm just gonna do the speed buff for the fertilizer, and that to help test that, I'll go into the root plant data. Grow time, I'll up that back up to 30 seconds. So it should take 30 seconds between stages. Yeah. If they load. Any second now. Yeah, okay. So it's loaded. Now we can test. Lot for soil. Alright, I need... Technically it's 31, I don't know why. But let me water these all. So yeah, it's gonna take much more water. So I'm gonna give it a bunch of water. Just clicking rapidly. Oop, toss the can. And these will start growing. So I'll see you when I have the fertilizer done. Or not. I'll just see you when I have the fertilizer done. First, I'm gonna implement the fertilizer count, and I'm gonna use the same implementation and use a water, how much it uses over time. I'll add a new tier list saying what tier the fertilizer is, and the way I'm gonna if you put a tier 1 on, then a tier 2, it's gonna do what Minecraft does, and just ignore the tier 1, but it's still counting down. So if you have a shorter tier 2, it should wear out, and then there'll still be that tier 1 down left. If I can get around to doing that. So I'll see you when I get something done. So I ran into a problem. I don't think I can do times multiplier. I think with the tiers, different tiers, I'm gonna have different effects. Because times multiplier, the way I'm doing it now, oh wait, maybe it can work, but also can't. Because maybe the way I'm going to do it, I'll have to continue thinking, but I do want the buffs of the fertilizer killing weeds or making water less, it consume less water. I think I'm going to do that later, but not now. Right now I'm just getting the systems in for when I do need it to do it later. So, see you when I have whatever I'm doing now done. Just want to check up on this. Somehow, while I was about to test, I have infinity marked down, but it's doing a bunch of weird numbers, and then it just went to infinity. I don't know why this is happening. Oh, there we go. But I do not know why. Where's that number coming from? Where? Or where is that number coming from? I cannot find that. Is it like the What are you? Because I checked all these. These are fine. This is fine. What? I'm gonna have to spend like hours debugging that because I don't even know where that's coming from or how it's being like summoned. Oh wait, is it the count? It's not down here. But then why would it show up? Oh, times next. It's an overflow. I think I know how to fix that. I'm gonna be right back. Now I think I have the overflow fixed. Let's see if the overflow is fixed. Because that shouldn't have been happening. Okay. Now, if I add you some water... Oh, wait, no. Did not mean to do that. So you are growing now. Let me get a new plant. This is gonna have the best buff of fertilizer. What do I... Fertilizer tier. Oh wait, it's increasing. It's increasing. No, I did it wrong. Oops. Be right back. Now it should be working. So we grab max water, and we grab the max fertilizer. Then I'll have two plants. So I'll give this plant a head start, pump you with a bunch of water, and the second plant pump with a bunch of water, and I'll do a bunch of fertilizer. See. So the grow time, the way I have it right now, is that with the level 3, actually it's not the highest, level 4 is the highest. But level 3, which is the one that I gave the plant, right here, right, is default grow time divided by 5. So 30 divided by 5. I don't actually know that off the top of my head. What is it? 6. It's 6. So 6 seconds over 30 seconds, and then it has 3 stages, so in total, this would be minute 30 seconds, and then this should be 18? Is it? Yeah. Should be 18. I'm not even gonna look it up. I'm rushing. I still have not fixed that, and I do not know why. It's just not important to me yet. So, I'm gonna give you some fertilizer. Oh, wait. I did not. Oh, come on. Another bug. So I need to... It's not consuming the fertilizer. I don't think. Yeah, it's not consuming the fertilizer. Nor is it the fertilizer level correct. So I need to fix those things. Also, I think what I'm going to have is also multiplied. The consumption rate would be multiplied. Like, if I have tier 3 fertilizer, it would be multiplied by 5. So you have 5 times the consumption rate for 5 times, or 5 times less the growth time. You see? So, if I have no more errors, no more bugs to be fixed, this should be it. So I'm gonna plop a tier 3 fertilizer in, some water. And then as soon as it runs out, it should go back to the normal time. Uh-oh. I don't know if it's... Let me choose a smaller tier. So, here's tier 1 fertilizer with 1 amount in it. 1 amount. So, it takes it down to 16 seconds. I put some water in. So it runs out. I don't know. How do I tell if it's working? 6. Here's the 16, 15, 14, 13. So it's not working. Oh, it still says fertilizer level 1. I'm gonna be back. Now it should work. So if I plant this, put that in. Now I'm gonna do the highest water with lowest tier. This is tier 1. 3 water. As soon as I run out. Oh. It stopped aging. Never mind. Back to the debugging. Alright, well, I'm gonna call it here. It is getting way too late for me. I'm starting to go crazy. But what I do have is a system that works if you ignore what I was trying to do. So I can plant the 2 seeds. I'll do a tier 2 and tier 1. So this will have the tier 2 fertilizer. Quite a bit of it. This will have the tier 1 fertilizer. Let me both water them. And this should grow faster than this one. But this should run out quicker. It's already run out. Are you... Oh, it's still broken! Okay, it should be fixed now. I do not... I don't know. I must have just left something in, but it's fixed now. So I'll grab a tier 2 and a tier 1. And then a 3. This one, the one I'm holding right now, should be the tier 2. No, it's the tier 1. This should be the tier 2. Then I'll put the... I'll give you some more... Let's up you up to 6, and then you can have 8. Oh, 10. I'm gonna give you some water. You some water. Now these should grow at different times. Yep. Oh, it's gone back up. Gotta pump. Yep. Oh, this got done growing way before this, so it's working. It's just a little bit confusing right now, and I don't think I'm doing a good job at explaining what it's actually doing. Because it is kind of going pretty fast. I might have to turn the fertilizers down even more, or turn up the greed more. Actually, the greed being so high is probably bad, but also the fertilizers shouldn't do as much as they do. It should be, like, probably the max will be 10 seconds off the 30-second one. But currently, the max takes it down to 6 seconds, which is not what I want. 7 seconds, technically. That's what this says, at least. Yep. 7. And it's pretty fast. But it also takes up a lot of fertilizer. Wait, it's probably not even, it's not, I don't think it's working. When it runs out of fertilizer, it stops. Well, thank you for watching. I will fix these bugs between the week, if I do. I might not. But thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Yeah. Bye. Bye-bye.